Make enchilada casserole. An enchilada casserole is something out of the box when served to the whole family. This is a dish that can be truly enjoyed by everyone, not to mention yet that it can be done without much effort. Yes, you heard the last statement just right. Enchilada casserole is so easy to prepare but tastes much like the ones served in your favorite Mexican restaurants. Here, check out these steps for this great recipe. Grab all the ingredients for the enchilada casserole. Prepare the following ingredients: shortening, corn tortillas, tomato sauce, an enchilada sauce packet, and cheese. Decide on the type of filling you want for the enchilada as well. This can be ground beef, onions, cheese, and the like. Moreover, prepare the cooking materials for this recipe, such as a round casserole dish, cooking spray, and small and medium saucepan. Work on the sauce of the enchilada casserole. Before you start your work, set the oven to a temperature of 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, coat the casserole dish with a cooking spray. Pour the enchilada sauce into the saucepan and follow the instructions in the label. Add tomato sauce and water as needed. Let the sauce simmer for around 5 minutes before you remove it from heat. Once done, pour and spread a little sauce at the bottom part of the dish that you have prepared earlier. You can also make your own sauce for this enchilada recipe by using garlic, chili peppers, jalapeno peppers, and tomato sauce. Prepare the tortillas for cooking. Get another pan and melt just enough shortening. The ideal amount of shortening is at least 2 inches high from the pan's bottom. Then, grab a corn tortilla with the corn and dip it into the melted shortening for several seconds. Dip the cooked tortilla into the enchilada sauce. Once the tortilla is cooked, remove it from the shortening and drain it first for several seconds. Then, dip it into the enchilada sauce. Arrange the tortilla and fillings in the casserole. Layer the first tortilla at the very bottom of the casserole and then add your chosen filling. Dip another tortilla in the sauce and layer it once again, alternating the filling. Stop the layering process when the stack is already reaching below the casserole's rim. Add some cheese toppings over the tortilla stack. Pour all the rest of the sauce over the tortilla stack in the casserole dish. Then, cover the stack with any kind of cheese you prefer. Bake the casserole in the oven. Cover the casserole dish with a tight foil first before feeding it inside the oven. Bake the casserole for around 25 minutes. Wait for 10 minutes more before you serve it to your family or guests. Usually, an enchilada is made in individual rolls and not in a large casserole. However, the latter is easier and more convenient if it is to be served to the whole family or to a number of guests. With this recipe, you can enjoy this Mexican dish every now and then. You do not have to visit your favorite restaurant anymore to get a taste of enchiladas. In just less than an hour of preparation and cooking time, you can serve this wonderful menu to the whole family and make the meal special even without any occasion.